Assalamu alaikum my YouTube friends. Hello everyone. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to this beautiful and creative space journey. Today we are going to explore some amazing Christmas jute craft ideas that are simple, eco-friendly and full of charm. Jute is a natural material and it gives a warm and rustic look that perfectly matches the cozy feeling of Christmas. In this video, you will see how ordinary jute rope and fabric can turn into beautiful decorations for your home. These crafts are not only affordable, but they are also very easy to make even for beginners. You don't need expensive tools, just a little creativity, patience and love for handmade art. Making jute crafts is also a great way to relax your mind and enjoy your free time. You can create lovely Christmas ornaments like stars, bells, and mini trees using jute. Each piece looks unique and gives a handmade touch that store-bought items cannot match. Jute candle holders are another beautiful idea. They create a soft and warm light atmosphere. You can also decorate bottles with jute rope and turn them into stylish Christmas vases. These crafts are perfect for decorating your living room, bedroom, or even your dining table. One great thing about jute crafts is that they are eco-friendly and good for the environment. Instead of plastic decorations, you are choosing something natural and reusable. You can also give these handmade items to your friends and family. Handmade gifts always carry more love and value than expensive store items. Try adding small decorations like beads, lace, or ribbons to make your crafts more attractive. Colors like red, green, and white can enhance the Christmas theme beautifully. Don't be afraid to try new designs and ideas. Creativity has no limits. Even small mistakes are part of learning, so enjoy the process. If you are making crafts with kids, it can be a fun and memorable activity. It also teaches patience, creativity, and the importance of handmade work. Always use glue carefully and keep your workspace clean and safe. Take your time and focus on details because small details make a big difference. You can also reuse old items at home and decorate them with jute. This way you are saving money and reducing waste at the same time. Jute crafts bring a natural beauty that makes your Christmas decoration look unique. Your home will feel more warm, welcoming, and full of festive spirit. Always remember, the best decoration is the one made with love and effort. Keep craft creating, keep learning, and keep sharing your beautiful ideas with others. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creativity ideas. Merry amazing happy holiday and stay happy. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel, and do let me know which crafts and which Christmas ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's a very beautiful, amazing, highly demanding and very creative and very useful and decent and stylish jute craft ideas. Thank you so much and thank